Those vegan guys. Thank you.
Hello there, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And together we are
Those Vegan Guys.
If you know us well, and you know the channel well, you know that we love bread.
Anything. Bread.
Bread, just breads in general,
Yeah.
don't we?
All the breads of the world.
Now Jason, my lovely husband, my gorgeous vegan partner, my barely knows his way around the kitchen little mucker, do you know what the oldest bread in the world is?
Pizza?
Well, that's very clever of you because pizza is of course a form of flatbread. But yeah, flatbread is the oldest bread in the world, you know, unleavened flatbread. And there are so many stinking fabulous recipes here on YouTube, honey. I found flatbreads made with just flour and water. Flatbreads made with flour and mashed avocado in reasonably equal measurements. And the flatbread that we're going to make today, which is two ingredients, not 3, not 7, not 12, not fermented goulash from the Himalayas, just 2 ingredients, flour and sweet potato.
That's amazing.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Though.
And it's 2 of my favourite things, flour and sweet potato.
Well, sweet potatoes are like really nutrient dense. They've got a lot of really, really good stuff in there. Go and find a vegan nutrition channel to find out what. I just know that they're really good for you. So I've got this here sweet potato, which I actually think is quite filthy. Do you agree? That is a filthy, filthy sweet potato.
I'm not even going to hide my face or my world or my life. I'm done with it.
So this here sweet potato, what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to steam it in the skin, right? And then we'll show you next bit. But basically, we steam our sweet potato, we peel it while it's hot, smash it with a fork, mix it with flour, and make our dough. And then we get on with doing them in a pan. It's dead easy, so let's have a bash. I'm going to be honest with you, it's the first time I'm doing this, and I'm right excited. And there's also, by the way, in our channel, Focaccia bread, made by a gorgeous couple of girls, what we know.
Oh.
Gemini, who I know right well. And my asthma, who we both know right well.
We do.
And Stuart on the Libraries Open channel knows my asthma as well as I know Gemini.
Right. Well.
I'm also going to link up there, just in case you're interested, all our recipes, our entire recipes and taste tests, recipes, reviews and taste tests playlist, because it's right good. Get on with steaming this and we'll be back. Hello, we're back. I've steamed the sweet potato. Do you see? Can you see?
Ooh.
Can you see it, Jason? Here's the steamed sweet potato.
Yes, I can see it.
So basically, steam a full sweet potato and then get the skin off. Oh, it feels wrong doing that, man.
Does it?
Yeah. It's just because of the shape. What did you call it, Jason? Very
phallic. Phallic's the word. Phallic's the word of the day.
So yeah, peel your sweet potato, get it into a bowl and smash it with a fork. So we'll do the smashing in a speeded up motion when I've peeled this without burning my hands while it's hot. It's important, that. See you in a minute. I smushed my sweet potato with a fork.
Yeah.
How'd your face, how'd your world, how'd your life?
Keep it still. Excellent, thank you.
Right, all smushed up with a fork, nice and mashed. Right, now we want 1 cup of plain flour. I think you Americans call it all-purpose. For any of our American friends watching. So that's 1 cup of plain flour, and then I mean, I don't really need to do this because I can see quite clearly there that there's about a cup, but just for you, our lovely viewers, so that you can see exact measurements. Come on, Kevin! All is forgiven! So about a cup of smushed sweet potatoes.
Smushed sweet potatoes.
And then you start to bring these two together first with your fork. We'll get in there with our hand in a minute, but first of all, just start smushing it all together, your sweet potato and your flour. And when I've done this and we've got a ball of dough, we'll come back.
Show us what it looks like now, right now. Okay.
So, you sounded like Steve 1989 then.
Sorry.
Never apologise for sounding like Steve 1989 MRE Info. He's a great YouTuber. So,
is this content?
Now I'm going to get in there with my hand.
Yes.
Now it's at this point and start really kind of pressing it all together to make a nice dough. And once all your flour and your sweet potato is incorporated, you can add whatever you want at that point. You could add some spices, you could add some cumin seeds, some mustard seeds, you could add some fresh chopped herbs, and that's what we're going to do tonight because I've got I've got a bunch of coriander in the fridge, which I asked Jason to get me last week at Taylor's on Inside Market, who've still got a right good range of fruit and veg. I asked Jason to get it for me, and I was going to make coriander pesto, but I'm going to use it in this because I think sweet potato flatbreads, or actually officially roti, with a bit of fresh coriander in there, is going to be absolutely gorgeous.
Can you bring it a bit closer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Where's that yellow thing that we were using before? Oh, it's there. So we're going to make this into a shape. I'll turn that over and right. Just make this into a kind of shape. Give it a bit of a roll. Just because this makes it much easier to cut it into your portion sizes. I need to wash my hands, Jay. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, whoever his birthday is, happy birthday to you. Only need to do it once because I washed them before I started. And then all we do is we cut. So I'm probably going to do 6, Jason, reasonably sized ones.
Yeah.
Like that. That might be a small one, but I don't mind that. And then we want a bit more flour. I'll just put some in this bowl that I did the dough in. We want a bit more flour in there so that I can roll each one in there. And also use a bit of the flour just on the surface here for rolling. So I can cover it again with flour in there. roll it till it's about 2 millimeters thick. So they're not huge. Oh, I said I was going to use coriander and I haven't. But yeah, you could put coriander in if you wanted. I'm just going to try and do one quick though so we can show you the finished effect. And of course you can double up your amounts, you know, 1 cup of this, 1 cup of that. I'm not even doing them round, Jay. I'm being a total rebel. I don't even care.
Don't matter.
Mine is shaped like Australia. No, literally though, shaped like Australia.
Nice.
So, there's one. Oh, I rolled a bit hard. Yep. I rolled a bit hard, guys. Hey, this is real life. Make sure that flour's under there. Roll for me, Karen! Roll for me! I suppose just keep turning it over so it doesn't stick to your surface. Yeah.
Do you have to roll them?
Yeah, because you want them about 2 millimeters thick so that it sort of cooks all the way through. Right, we'll get the pan heated up, dry frying pan, and then we'll show you what one looks like cooking. See you in a sec, cocker. Okay, we have a boiling hot, scalding hot, very, very hot frying pan with no oil in it at all. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to chuck it in there. Turn the heat back up and just keep flipping it every time it looks like it's bubbling a bit. Once it's bubbled on both sides, and sometimes it might kind of separate, come up like a big bubble, it's done. But let's have a look at it, shall we? Jason was like, are you sure you want to be cooking one while we're kind of ending the video and doing a taste test? I'm fine, yeah, don't matter. Watch this, I'll burn everything now. So that's one done. Slightly misshapen, I'm afraid. Hide your world! Help me, mama. Do you love me now, mama?
Okay.
Oh, this one's bubbling up gorgeous.
It smells gorgeous, it has to be said.
Right, well, Mr. Bromley.
Thank you. Oh wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Like in fact, exactly like you would get a flatbread in an Indian restaurant.
Ah, so nice. I love the sort of slightly flouriness on the outside, but yeah, really nice taste. Really nice texture.
Now that's the flour smokes a bit in your frying pan, but don't worry about it. Right, we're gonna get these finished off. I'm gonna whack up a quick spicy chickpea and onion dish for us to have on with, and we'll see you again soon. Beautiful sweet potato, sweet potato, sweet tomato, not flatbread.
Not tomato, you'll get people confused.
Sorry.
It's not tomato.
Sweet potato and flour.
Quick and simple, even I could do it. Like, genuinely. And that's saying a lot.
Right, stop smoking now, Pan.
Say goodbye to the lovely people.
Oh, goodbye to the lovely people. Love you, mister.
Love you.
Mwah. Love all you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon on Almost Catastrophes, but not quite in our kitchen. Until then, be excellent to yourselves and each other. Damn good. Damn good.
I want stuff with it now.
I know.
Really hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe. It helps us out loads.
It really does. And check down there in the description because you'll find loads of links. The 2 ways that you can best support us to keep the channel going are through becoming a patron on our Patreon down there in the description, or buying our merch, darling. Fabulous link down there. We deal with a fabulous vegan company called Vegan Original. Check it out, guys.